It's really a privilege to be invited to give this presentation because it raises the profile of stroke care in low and middle income countries, and it allows us to share good practice on what we have done in Nigeria. So in terms of outcomes, we are really hoping that people will learn from this presentation and be able to replicate what we have done in other low and middle income countries. So why is this topic important for potential attendees? I think that a lot of healthcare workers will be watching this video, this presentation. Also, a lot of stroke survivors who we call stroke ambassadors. I will say that recovery is possible. It is essential to use evidence-based guidelines, like I said. The NICE guidelines, National Institute for Clinical Excellence, is online. You can Google it. Please use it and make sure that you share with other people in your community. You have seen the work we've done about alliances and collaborations and engaging stakeholders, particularly people that have had a stroke and their carers. And that will help us to do great things in stroke care in low and middle income countries. For ESO-WSO 2020, I am so glad that we are able to do this conference irrespective of COVID-19. So I would say congratulations to the European Stroke Organization and to the World Stroke Organization. It is really very fantastic. The marketing was really good, and we have been able to share with our networks, and we are looking forward that many people across the nations will be able to participate in this one. So the online event is really useful, and this is the way forward, the new norm for COVID-19 going forward. Thank you very much.